So today we are going to learn how we can reduce poly count from a high poly model very easily. So for that, first select the model, then press tab, then go to the face mode, then select all of your model by pressing A, then right click, click on the Un-subdivide. After that, you have to give your desired number for the desired result. Better to give the even number so it will get a proper quad output. Or if you give any number like 1 or 3 like odd number if you use, then you will get a crisscross cut flow. So if you increase the value, you'll get more less poly count. Hope you like it. See you in the next video.